Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the "we couldn't verify your country" error on YouTube Premium. So, if you can't subscribe or the purchase keeps failing, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is open, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. After opening Settings, look at the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Third-Party Cookies, then select See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type YouTube into the search box. When it appears, then click the trash icon to remove all stored data. This clears old location and payment session information that often causes the country verification error. Now we need to check your extensions. On the left side, click Extensions, then disable any active extensions, especially VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers. These can make YouTube think you're in a different country. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Go back to YouTube and try subscribing to Premium again. If the error still appears, open YouTube in a different browser and try the purchase there. This forces a fresh session and usually fixes region detection problems. And that's it. There's no direct Change Country button, but clearing your stored data and removing location interference is the best way to get YouTube Premium working again.